Setting up Apple Pay in Canada is straightforward. First, make sure your Apple device, like an iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad, or Mac, is running the latest operating system. This ensures full compatibility and access to all features. To add a card, open the Wallet app on your iPhone or Apple Watch. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner. You'll then be prompted to review the introduction to adding a card. For credit or debit cards, you can typically scan your card using your device's camera or manually enter the card details. Your bank will then verify the card and may require an additional step, like a text message confirmation, to ensure it's truly you. Using Apple Pay for in-store purchases is incredibly convenient. Simply double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch to bring up your default card. Hold your device near the contactless reader until you see a checkmark and the word "Done" on the screen. Most major Canadian retailers, grocery stores, coffee shops, and even transit systems accept Apple Pay. Wherever you see the contactless payment symbol or the Apple Pay logo, look for these widely recognized icons at checkout. Apple Pay also supports online purchases and in-app transactions. When checking out online, simply select Apple Pay as your payment method. Your securely stored card details will be used without sharing your actual card number with the merchant, enhancing your security. Regarding security, Apple Pay utilizes strong encryption and tokenization. Your actual card number is never stored on your device or Apple servers, nor is it shared with merchants. Instead, a unique, encrypted device account number is used for each transaction, making it incredibly secure. With these simple steps, you can confidently and securely use Apple Pay across Canada for both in-person and online transactions. Enjoy the ease and peace of mind it offers.